back to my channel. So today we're going to be in Gatorland in Orlando, Florida. It's big, giant. This is all the gators right now. Got so many of them. Oh wow, they're moving. They're moving.
They're waking up. Oh my goodness.
There's a guy in the water right here. There's about 2,000 live gators in this park. Alright guys, we made it to another park. So look how big that one out there is. They like the tan from the sun. So. Right here too. So when you look. I made it a little bit closer up. See how? So he's half in the water. And these are really big ones right here. Some of these are like out the water, and they're very like they're very high up. All right, guys, we stumbled across some parrots right here. There's some good stuff. They were born in 1997.
Micah, look at the bird. Alright guys, you can even see his tail right here where it rattles. How long it is. Never seen a rattle. Guys, these birds are literally riding on the gators' backs. If you guys really look at it, they're literally on the gators whenever they move. It's kind of funny. Thank you.
You got a little blue one, your favorite color. Now did you shirt? Oh, they're fighting. Look at you. You like cookie stick? There we go. Uh-oh. Oh, we pushed him out of the way. It's like my turn. This is so awesome. Look at the little ones.
He's so cute.
Oh, he likes you. They're so cute. You like them?
Two blue ones too.
Exactly. Lucky. You would get 2 blue ones. What's your favorite color? Hope he doesn't poop on you. Oh, blue. Oh, another one came. I missed it.
Parents, make sure all children are following.
Buddy.
You're like chasing the birds or
Yeah, you're like the bird whisperer.
Little feet, they're so cute. Really love this.
Are they a nice bird?
Once you're finished with your C6, there is a trash can located at the exit. As soon as you open the door, it'll be on your right.
He's so big, guys. Look at that.
Holy moly.
Look at that guy.
Okay, without dropping, oh my god, no, there's a net. Oh my god. It's massive. I don't know if you guys can see. These guys are huge. I don't know how well you can see on the video, but oh my gosh.
Gotta look in the water. And this guy right over here too. His head.
Oh
Some of these
my
guys'
gosh.
heads.
So big. Look at this whole cluster. Oh, look at his teeth. Oh my gosh.
I hit him right in the, no.
What's he eating?
He's chomping. I mean, like this guy right here. Oh, I see him. Oh,
Oh. Please don't attack each other.
I'll be a good time.
No.
Look at that. Look at how big that.
Oh. They just land on the gators.
So long story short, my mom ran into her high school sweetheart. Didn't work out, so we'll do that. Yeah. Go get it. You want yourself a free snake. You stay there. You're right. She's absolutely right, though. This is a southern copperhead. This
Diamondback is that beautiful pattern that runs down their spine, and at the tip of their tail they have that iconic rattle. Can anybody tell me what it's used for? Morning, yep. You know what? Believe it or not, that's what we actually thought for the longest time. Due to recent studies here at Gatorland, we found out that's where they actually store their venom.
Awesome. Hi, what's your name? Alina, look, this is the end with the head and teeth. Don't squeeze too hard, it could potentially bite you, okay?
Hey, Aspen, don't squeeze this in the square, alright?
Ew. Anybody know what they're holding? It is a snake, it's not a python. Guys, this is a red-tailed boa constrictor, one of the largest snake species in the world. These guys get anywhere between 10 to 13 foot fully grown. Constrictor, that means that snake right there, it don't got venom. How can you tell that snake don't got venom? Because they're holding it. We're not putting a venomous snake in people's hands, guys. As cool as that would be, no.
Alright guys, we stumbled across an albino alligator. These are very rare and it's all white. See that? It's a baby too. See, that one is, and it's all white too. There's another one right over
Wow, albino.
there. Yep. Yeah, same.
Look, he has some green in him.
Yeah, I think it's like leucism or something. He said something like that. So
Wow.
he's a big one. Though. I think
Yeah, he is. He's all white. Sleeping. there any information on the sign about him? Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, let me get today's adventure with a history lesson. 1949 our park opened up. We were in Gatorland, we were the Florida Fish and Wildlife Institute. 5 feet in length.
Big.
Alright guys, this is an African tortoise. Look how big he is. Wow. Guess he comes out of his barn and then he's just right here like this. Wow, look at that guys. And you got little birds.
What you got to say? What? What you got to say? Hi.
So you see that? Hey. And look at all these guys over here. These guys are really big. See them? It's all three of them. Look at that, guys. I just want to hug them.
Oh, you're like a snake charmer. Karate Kid. Oh gosh.
got his upper jaw ripped off in a fight. I said he's a little bigger, but I know my dad wanted to see him. Look at that. And I took him to Gatorland. That was like a year ago. Oh yeah, that's him right there. Like that. So, yeah.
I think they have to feed her, like special, you know, feed her. They rescued her.
A very specific diet.
Yeah.
This is a swamp trail.
A what?
A swamp trail. So we just go for this. How it's like very peaceful in here.
Beautiful in here. Okay, we might have some encounters. I don't want any snake encounters. You do?